Hello, today we will be talking about a standard form of long division. As you can see, we have a 3-digit number divided by a single-digit number. Today's problem is 255 divided by 5. To set up our problem, we will start by drawing this half rectangle. We will put our divisor, which is 5, on the outside, and we will put our dividend, which is 255, on the inside. Our next step is looking at each place value. So we will start with the hundredths place, in which there is a 2. Since we cannot fully divide 2 by 5, we will put a 0 above the 2 to hold our place. Next, we will move on and look at the tens place as a 25, since we were first not able to divide the 2. Since we can divide 25 by 5, we will be able to put the product, which is 5, above the 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25, we will be able to put 25 or 250 underneath. To move on with subtraction, we will subtract 255 by 250, in which our sum will be 5. And then we will look to see if we can divide 5 by 5, and we can. The product is 1. We will bring down the 5 to be subtracted. And we will come up with a 0, meaning we have no remainders, and that our product is 51. Thank you for coming to my video.